Hello friends, this is the first lecture from the Indus Valley Civilization of History. Okay, we will discuss most 30 important questions from Indus Valley Civilization. First question, Indus Valley Civilization was discovered in A. 1911, B. 1921, C. 1931, D. 1941, B. 1921. Question number 2. The people of Indus Valley Civilization were almost A. Negroid, B. Proto-Australoid, C. Mediterranean, C. D. Nordic, C. Mediterranean. Friends, question number 3. Which metal was unknown to Indus Valley Civilization? A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Copper, D. Iron. D. Iron. Unknown बोला हुआ है. Question number 4. The nature of the Indus Valley civilization was A. Urban, B. Rural, C. Agricultural, D. None of these. A. Urban. Question number 5. Indus Valley civilization belongs to A. Prehistorical, B. Historical period, C. Proto-historical, D. Post-historical, C. Proto-historical. Question number 6. A statue of bearded man was found at A. Harappan, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Chandragupta, D. Dholavira. B. Mohenjo-daro. Most important question. Friends, question number 7. In Indus Valley civilization, the script was A. Kharosthi, B. Brahmi, C. Boustrophedius, D. None of these. C. Boustrophedius. Question number 8. Which of the following is the latest site found? A. Dholavira, B. Amri, C. Lothal, D. Kalibangan. A. Dholavira. Friends, question number 9. Harappa is located on the bank of river A. Indus, B. Ravi, C. Vyas, D. Satluj. Question number B. Answer B. Ravi. Question number 10. The local name of the Mohenjo-daro is A. Mound of Living, B. Mound of Surveyor, C. Mound of Dead, D. Mound of Great, C. Mound of Dead. Friends, question number 11. Which of the following animals was unknown in Indus Valley civilization? A. Lion, B. Bull, C. Elephant, D. Horse. D. Horse. Unknown बोला हुआ है, ठीक है. Question number 12. Which one of the following Indus Valley civilization sites gives evidence of a dockyard? A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Lothal, D. Dholavira, C. Lothal. Question number 13. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization sites gives evidence of a stadium? A. Harappa, B. Kalibangan, C. Mohenjo-daro, D. Dholavira, D. Dholavira. Question number 14. The people of Indus Valley civilization usually build their houses of A. Puka bricks, B. Wood, C. Stone, D. None of these. A. Puka bricks. Question number 15. A seal depicting mother gods with planet growing from the womb has found from A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Kalibangan, D. Dholavira. A. Harappa. Question number 16. Indus Valley civilization was discovered by A. Dayaram Sahani, B. R.D. Banerjee, C. Chuningam, D. Wheeler. A. Dayaram Sahani. Question number 17. A lot of beds were discovered from A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Lothal, D. Dholavira. B. Mohenjo-daro. Mostly beads were made of A. Terracotta, B. Jasper, C. Lapis, D. Statite. Question number 19. Which of the following cannot be considered Proto-Harappan culture? A. Suti culture. B. Jurini culture. C. Kot Dij culture. D. Ambri culture. B. Jurini culture. Question number 20. Which of the following showed the greatest uniformity in Indus Valley civilization settlement? A. Town planning. B. Bricks. C. Religious practice. D. Buildings. A. Town planning. Friends, question number 21. The site of Mohenjo-daro is located on the banks of river A. Ravi. B. Vyas. C. Indus. D. Satluj. C. Indus. Question number 22. The site of Mohenjo-daro was discovered by A. Dayaram Sahani. B. R.D. Banerjee. C. N.G. Majumdar. D. S.R. Rao. B. R.D. Banerjee. Question number 23. The largest site found in the post-independence India in A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Punjab. D. Haryana. B. Gujarat. Question number 24. The best drainage system water management in the Indus Valley civilization was A. Harappa. B. Lothal. C. Mohenjo-daro. D. Kalibangan. B. Lothal. 25. The famous dancing girl found in the Mohenjo-daro was made up of A. Bronze. B. Red limestone. C. Statite. D. Terracotta. A. Bronze. Question number 26. The unique structure of the Mohenjo-daro was A. Bathing pool. B. Assembly hall. C. Granary. D. Dockyard. A. Bathing pool. Question number 27. In which of the following Indus Valley sites the famous bull seal was found? A. Harappa. B. Mohenjo-daro. C. Lothal. D. Chanhudro. A. Harappa. Question number 28. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization site was located on the Iranian border? A. Surkotoda. B. Sutka Gendor. C. Kot Dij. D. Balakot. B. Sutka Gendor. Question number 29. In which of the following Indus Valley sites the cemetery R37 was found? A. Lothal. B. Mohenjo-daro. C. Harappa. D. Dholavira. C. Harappa. Question number 30. Which of the following is the most common motif of the Indus seals? A. Elephant. B. Bull. C. Rhinoceros. D. Unicorn. D. Unicorn. ऐसे ही डेली टेक्निकल नॉन टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखना। थैंक यू।